Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix any Instagram bug. So it is very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to check if this problem related to Instagram or it related to Instagram application. So first of all, you need to open your browser, and then in the search bar you need to type "is Instagram down?" So after that you need to click on the first one link, here it is. After that you will see this interface, you need to scroll down, and then here if you see one big spike, that means that this problem, a lot of users have this problem such yours. So that means that you need to wait a few minutes, maybe a few hours, and this problem will be fixed. So another one way is that this problem can relate it to Instagram application. So all you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings first of all, then scroll down and find general option. Then you need to find iPhone storage. Here you need to find Instagram application, here it is. And then all you need to do is to click on the offload app. It will offload app and delete all the cache in your Instagram. And after that you need to click on the reinstall app. So after reinstallation you need to go to your Instagram application, and then if you still got this problem, the last thing you need to do is to shake your iPhone. So you will see this one interface, and then you need to click on the blue button report a problem, then include and continue, and then here you need to describe your problem. You can actually add some screenshot or upload some screenshot or photos or maybe video file, and after that at the top right click on the send button. So after that Instagram support will receive your message and your problem will be fixed. So and that's all, and that's how to fix any Instagram bug. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.